Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how can we blur the background in the image by using a snapseed editor on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to blur the background in snapseed. For an example, this photo have a blur, but I just need a deep blur. So you can use any photos. For example, click on this tool option first in your snapseed. So you will see this option called lens blur. Click on this. Now you just need to focus on the object that you just need to focus it, and you can just blur the background. Just swipe and just you can see the blur strength can be increased like this. And also if you just need an angle like this, just pinch by your two hands, it will be closed and open like this. You can just focus on the main subject like this and just can move it like this and just leave it. Now you can see the difference between this is before the blur option applied, this is the after blur option applied. You can also minimize the blur strength so it will look awesome. So this is how you just blur any photo of any object on your snapseed by using this editing tool called lens blur. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.